pork.
Hello.
I know you.
You know me.
You're like a TikToker or something.
No. I'm not. I don't do nothing of that. What you mean?
You sure?
Of course, honey. I would never do that.
Are you're lying to me.
Why would I lie to you? I don't like beautiful girl. If you're ugly, I might like to you. But if you're beautiful like you, I would never like to you.
Maybe you're a TikToker and you're like streaming this or some shit.
Oh, you see my setup and you just saying that. No, I was playing game. I was playing game. And I just got tired. I was like, you know what? I know this app. There's a beautiful girl. Let me talk to them. So, like, I found it. Like, you. Look at you. You are pretty as fuck. Look. How you
Thank
doing?
you.
How you doing?
Pretty good. I'm tired though.
Oh, were you smiling though? Oh my god. Wait. I need to call 911. This beautiful, it should be illegal. Yeah, you need to go to the jail with this one. No, you can't be out like this. No. Wait, listen, how you doing? How's your day? Come on. I get it. I get it. Nah, I'm sorry. Whatever it is, I know you did. It was long day. I feel that. But you know what? Forget everything. Tomorrow is next day. New day, new life. And you got new husband right here. How about that? Listen, can I ask you one favor, please?
Yeah.
Can I take a picture and show my friends that Angel exists? I need to show them.